Incredible AM Pvt Limited was started in the year 2017 with its state-of-art facility in Pune, India. We are India's first exclusive metal 3D printing company who has ISO 13485 certification required for patient-specific implants. Here at Incredible AM, we manufacture patient-specific implants, cutting guides and jigs. At Incredible, we have produced several implants which have been implanted successfully across India. Patient-specific implants bring about tremendous accuracy and help mimic the anatomy of the patient, which help in giving him perfect aesthetics. The other advantage of patient-specific implants is that doctor is well prepared before the surgery. Also, there would be less surgery time and less complexities.
3D printed patient-specific implants which are manufactured layer by layer are known for high accuracy. These implants could be used in load-bearing or non-load-bearing applications. Incredible AM deals with cranial, maxillofacial, mandibular and orthopedic implants. Incredible AM also provides its patented spinal jigs with high accuracy for quick and precise surgery. Implant manufacturing process begins with CT scan of the damaged body part, where the data has been collected in the form of DICOM file. The file then gets converted to STL file. Once the dimensions are retrieved through STL file, surgeon has to decide thickness, surface finish and fitment location prior to printing and post-printing activities. This customization improves osteo-integration and helps mimicking the exact anatomy of the patient, which gives better aesthetics along with reduced surgery time and complexity. 3D printed implants are built in titanium and cobalt chromium alloys, which are biocompatible materials and have gone through various tests such as subcutaneous testing, skin sensitization testing, acute systemic toxicity, in vitro cytotoxicity, biocompatible test, mechanical test, chemical composition test, stability test, and bioburden test. These powders are tested and validated for achieving the highest quality and contamination-free implants. Manufacturing process of implant begins with design, where the CAD file is oriented in a software. Critical parameters such as surface finish, thickness, and fitment location get finalized as per surgeon's instructions. Machine preparation is the next step, where build chamber is maintained at predefined pressure, temperature, and inner atmosphere. The implants are built layer by layer over the period of time, where each layer consists of a few microns. Printed implant must go through stress relieving process, which takes place under vacuum to avoid contamination at high temperature. Then the implant goes through post-processing activities such as bead blasting, deburring, grinding, and buffing to achieve final dimensions and surface finish, followed by steam cleaning and ultrasonic cleaning to ensure complete removal of foreign particles from implant surface. Quality department checks each and every parameter prior to approval that guarantees high level of dimensional accuracy. In the final stage, secondary ultrasonic cleaning has been carried out in class 10,000 clean room. The room is maintained at specific temperature, pressure and humidity to eliminate bacterial growth on implants prior to packaging under UV radiation. Incredible AM Pvt Limited was established in 2017 and is a new venture of Industrial Metal Powders Pvt Limited. Incredible AM Pvt Limited is India's first exclusive metal 3D printing company, having ISO 9001 and ISO 13485 certification. The plant has been built as per Indian FDA guidelines. For more information, please visit or call us.